Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about the topic is pointers in C program. Regarding the pointers, we used to be use the symbol of star, So in the C program, we are using the variable. Each and every variable has the address except CPU register variable. Okay, so we can access the address of the variable using the pointers. Okay, using the pointer variable. Okay, so listen properly. So each and every variable in the C program has the address. Okay, except CPU register variables. Okay, so that particular variable address we can able to access with the help of pointers variable. With the help of pointers variable is called as the pointers. Okay, listen properly. This is the declaration part. This is the declaration part. This one, integer space star p1 comma star p2. That is the declaration. Normally integer is the data type. P1 and P2 are the variable. Okay, in front of the variable star symbol is there. So it is pointer declaration. It is pointer declaration. The second, percentage u. So this one is symbol. This one is pointer symbol for the purpose of reading and writing the pointers information. That is the while reading, that is a printf. While writing, that is a scanf. We are supposed to use the percentage u. Already in our previous program, we used the percentage d, percentage f, percentage c for indicating the integer, floating point and character. Okay, similarly regarding the pointer variable, if you want to scan or print the information, the corresponding pointer variable information, we supposed to use the symbol of percentage u. So listen, it is a normal declaration, integer a equal to 10 and b equal to 25. Normal variable declaration along with the initial value. We are assigning 10 to the a, assigning 25 to the b. Okay, then ampersand symbol, that is the address symbol. So in this particular line, P1 equal to ampersand symbol of A. So already we declared the A. The A contain the value of 10. So P1 equal to ampersand symbol of A means this is the address symbol. So this is the address symbol. So P1 equal to address symbol of A means we are going to be assigning the address of A. A is the variable address A assigning to the P1. That means A address stored into the P1. P1 store the address of the A. P2 store the address of the B. Okay, if you want to read, okay, star P1, it will display. If you want to print the information, printf within double quotes percentage u comma star P1, then it is going to be printing the value of 10 because the P1 contain the address of A. Okay, the address of A contain the value of 10. Okay, so if you are printing the P1 along with the star symbol, the corresponding value will display. If without star symbol, the corresponding address of A will be displaying, indicating the address of a variable. Okay, so listen properly. Based on the example, we can able to understand this entire part very easily. Okay, so once you listen the video, you can repeat it one more time. Listen properly, then you can able to understand very easily. Next, operation on the pointers. So on the pointer, we can apply the 5 different operations. One is the increment or decrement. Okay, so we can increment the pointer and decrement the pointer. Okay, that means adding the address, one address. Okay, one address means it is an integer. Suppose example, the previous example, integer pointer variable. Okay, so adding 1 with the pointer variable is called as the increment. Minus 1 with the pointer variable is called as the decrement. So 1 means here 2 byte. Okay, 1 means here 2 byte. Next one, adding of integer to the pointer variable. That means the pointer contain the address, that address contain the value. In that value we can able to add the integer value. Okay, why we can able to add the integer value. Similarly, subtraction. Okay, why deducting. Then subtraction of two pointers of the same data type. We can apply the subtraction operation with the two pointers. The pointer is supposed to be same data type. Similarly, comparison. The both variables supposed to be under the same data type. Same data type. Okay, now we can clearly understand the pointer based on the operation. Okay, based on the operation, I drawn the proper memory structure diagram example along. So you can able to understand very clearly. So initially integer a comma star p. So star p empty location here allocated somewhere else 2004. Similarly allocated somewhere else 2000 memory location. Okay, if you are next line p equal to ampersand symbol of a, address symbol ampersand. So ampersand symbol of a means 2000. That is the address of a is 2000. So p equal to means it is the assignment symbol. It is the assignment symbol. So address of a is 2000, that we are assigning to the p. So that's why p location 2000 came. P location 2000 came. Okay, next. If you are applying the increment operation on the pointer, increment operation on the pointer, it will increase. It will increase. Okay, so the previous location is 2004. After incrementing 2005, supposed to be there, but 2006 is there. 2006 is there. The reason p is the integer data type. P is the integer data type. So for single value storing, we require 2 bytes of memory location. So if you are adding 1 or if you are incrementing 1, the memory location is added 2 byte. 2 bytes. So that's why after incrementing from the 2004 to 2006. Okay, next. After decrementing, it came back to the same position 2004. Okay, then next, a equal to 5. I am assigning a equal to 5. So automatically it is placed in the a variable location. Next, star p equal to star p plus 3. That means, so you can see in the before applying this particular adding integer value with the pointer variable. Okay, adding integer value with the pointer. Okay, so before applying the star p equal to star p plus 3, you can see the a is 5. A is 5. You can see a is initially 5. After applying the addition operation, added 3 with the existing value. Added 3 with the existing value. So star p means value indicator. So p is this one. The address is available here 2000. Based on 2000, based on this particular 2000, we are based on this particular 2000, it is moving to the 8. Based on the 2000, it is moving to the 2000 address location 8. Okay, so existing 5, we added with the 5 3, now 8. Now 8. Okay, then in the next, we are going to be applying the minus or subtraction operation with the pointer variable. Now already existing 8, after applying the minus 2, now it is came to the 6. So star p indicating the value. Star p indicating the value. If you are keeping the normal p, that is a pointer variable without star symbol, that is indicating the address. If you are incrementing, p will shift to the next location. Okay, if you are decrementing, the p will move from the previous location. But star p means the particular pointer contain the address. That particular address contain the value. So this particular 6 is meaning is star p. So star p equal to star p plus 3 means existing 5, now 8. After applying the subtraction of 2, now from the 8 to 6 is there. From the 8 to 6 is there. Okay, similarly, integer a comma b, two variables. Now I added one more variable b, one more variable pointer p1, p and p1. Okay, so p assigned the address of a and p1 assigned the address of b, 2000 and 2002 respectively. And I am assigning the initial value of a and b, a and b. Okay, then next one, x equal to p minus p1, pointer variable. Okay, pointer variable without star indication. So it is address indication. It is address indication. So p1 and p2 difference are 2 bytes. P1 and p2 difference are 2 bytes. P1 and p2 different are 2 bytes. Okay, but each location contain the address of, each location contain the memory size of 2 byte. Okay, so the difference is only one location, but we are going to see the different 2 is there, but 2 byte is considered as a only one value size, Okay, so that's why x equal to p minus p1 means only one is different, that is the meaning 2 byte. Difference between the p1 and p2 is the 2 bytes, but it is the integer data type, so only value location, one value location is 2 byte, Okay, so that's why it is showing the 1 instead of 2. Now we will continue the execution. Now we can see the execution part. So listen properly. I already written the program. We will see the output step by step. Integer star p1 star p2. Okay, star p1 and star p2, two integer variable. A and b are the two variable. A equal to 25, b equal to 10. Then apart from the a and b, x, y also two more variable. Totally 4 variables. For the 4 variable, I assigned the initial value of a and b 25 and 10 respectively. Then I am assigning the address of a into the p1, address of b into the p2. Okay, then I am printing the p1 p2 star p1 star p2. Already I said this particular star indicating the value, without star indicating the address. So each and every values while printing, I already said the symbol for printing and scanning the pointer variable %u, again %u, again %u 4 times for the p1 comma p2 star p1 comma star p2. Totally 4 variable we are printing, so that's why I used the %u 4 times. In between the %u there is a /t indicating the tab space, So if p1 means the corresponding address of a, p2 means corresponding address of b, star p1 means a value of 25, star p2 means b value of 10 should be in the output. Okay, listen properly, see the same thing in the output. 65524 65522, totally 25 10. Okay, now we will continue the program. After incrementing and decrementing, what is going to be happen? Now I incremented the address of p1, similarly p2. Then after again I am printing the same p1 p2 star p1 p2. Now I applied the increment operation. So the p1 incremented with the 2 bytes and p2 incremented with the 2 bytes of location. Okay, incremented one means according to the integer 2 bytes. Now you can see the output. So initially 65524, the second line 65526. There are 2 byte different is there. Memory location is 2 byte different is there. Similarly 6552 65524 incremented with the 1 byte. Okay, you can see in the second line last 24 address, the previous line last 24 address is for A, now for the B, that is the P1 and P2. Okay, so accordingly you can see the change. Accordingly, you can see the change the output. Okay, so previous after incrementing, okay, after incrementing the second P2 contain the address of P2 contain the address, that address is indicating the 25 value, A value. Okay, so that is the difference. Next, after decrementing, once I am going to be incrementing na, the same thing I am going to be decrementing. So the previous same location, you can see the output now, the 24, 26, 24, similarly 22, 24, 26. Okay, so you can see the corresponding value also. Now the proper A value 25, proper B value 10. Okay, then for the execution, mouse is not working, so that's why I am not explaining based on the cursor. Okay, but in the program it is working. In the program it is working, not in the output screen. So listen now. Next, I'm going to be add integer value with the existing pointer value. First, initially I'm adding 5. Second, I'm deducting 5. So first value 25. A is address is available in the P1. Now A is added with the 5. So 30. Then P2 contain the value of B. Minus means 10 minus 5. 5 is there. Now we can see the output, third line. Alt F9, Control F9. Now you can see the 25 added with the 5, 30, 10 deducted with the 5, value is 5. Okay, I think you are understanding very clearly. I am thinking. If you are not understanding, you can watch the video again and again. Okay, again and again. Mainly you need to be concentrate the difference after executing the particular line and before executing the particular line, you can able to answer. Okay, then apply the subtraction between the 2 pointers. So the pointer 1 minus pointer 2 address, the difference is only 1. According to the previous output I am saying, according to that one, P1 minus P2 means the 2 bytes is different. So 2 byte means according to the integer only 1. So x equal to P1 minus P2, the address difference is stored in the x. Printf percentage u, P1 minus P2 equal to percentage u, comma x. Okay, so listen, the output is only 1. I will explain in the output. So the difference between 65524 and 65522, only 2 bytes are different. According to the integer, 2 byte means only one value location. So that's why P1 minus P2 equal to answer is 1. P1 minus P2 answer is 1. You can take the screenshot this particular program, then you try to execute the program by yourself. Okay, Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you have any queries, please post your queries in the comment box. Please do subscribe, like my videos and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching.